Welcome to Money Talk JA, where we break down the big stories that shape Jamaica's economy and future. Hurricane Melissa has come and gone, leaving behind massive destruction across the island. Homes have been swept away, roads and bridges collapsed, crops flattened, and entire communities cut off. But Jamaicans are resilient. We've bounced back before, and we'll do it again. So today, we're breaking down 5 powerful ways to help Jamaicans recover from Hurricane Melissa, whether you're living on the island or watching from overseas. First, support local relief organizations directly. Forget the middlemen. Groups like the Jamaica Red Cross, Food for the Poor, and ODPEM are already on the ground distributing food, water, and temporary shelter. Even a small donation goes a long way when multiplied by thousands of caring Jamaicans. Diaspora organizations can also send funds through trusted remittance services or community drives. Just make sure the money goes to legitimate, verified groups actually helping affected families, not fake accounts popping up on social media. Second, adopt a community approach. Jamaica's recovery will depend on neighborhoods helping themselves. You can help by donating building materials, solar lamps, and water filters to rural parishes where access is still limited. If you're abroad, coordinate with local churches or alumni associations to sponsor rebuilding projects. Maybe one school roof in Clarendon, one bridge in St. Mary, or a farm cooperative in Manchester. Every small restoration effort speeds up the country's comeback. Third, buy Jamaican to rebuild Jamaica. After a storm, the best stimulus is local spending. Instead of importing everything, support local contractors, local farmers, and Jamaican-owned suppliers. Purchase local cement, timber, and produce. Encourage business to source goods locally during reconstruction. Every dollar that circulates inside the island helps families to get back on their feet faster and help rebuild the economy stronger than before. Fourth, volunteer skills, not just money. Jamaica needs more than cash. It needs manpower and expertise. Engineers, electricians, nurses, and IT specialists can volunteer through coordinated disaster relief programs. Diaspora Jamaicans can offer remote services too, like helping schools set up online learning while classrooms are rebuilt. The more skilled hands we have on deck, the faster essential services get restored. And finally, invest in climate resilience. This storm is a brutal reminder that climate change isn't coming, it's here. We can't just rebuild the same weak systems that failed before. Support projects that strengthen Jamaica's resilience, like hurricane-proof housing, renewable energy systems, better drainage, and sustainable farming practices. It's time to rebuild smarter, not just faster. Imagine if every house rebuilt after Melissa has solar panels and storm-resistant roofing. That's not just recovery, that's transformation. At the end of the day, Hurricane Melissa may have torn through Jamaica's buildings, but not through our spirit. Jamaicans are strong, resourceful, and united. Whether you're in Kingston, New York, or London, you can play a part in helping the island rise again. If this message moved you, share this video to raise awareness and check the description for links to verified relief efforts. Together, we can help Jamaica rebuild better, stronger, and more resilient than ever before. This is Money Talk JA. Thanks for watching, and click the video on screen now to learn more about how money moves in Jamaica. Catch you in the next video.